Do you currently have an Instagram engagement plan that you stick to every single day to actually grow your account organically? If not, then watch this entire video because I'm going to share with you a tool that allows you to track your engagement and actually stay consistent with it every single day. And I bet you may have not heard about it just yet, so keep on watching. My name is Jelena Ostrovska from JelenaOstrovska.com, and I'm a social media and business coach. And in this video, I'm going to share with you a ninja tool that you likely have never heard about before. So let's go ahead and dive into the screen and I'll show you all about it. So as you can see, the tool is called $80 and it is based on the Instagram strategy that Gary Vaynerchuk came up with called the $80, right? And basically the way the strategy works is, first of all, it is pretty time consuming, so I will give you a warning about that. But second of all, it is effective when you actually implement it. So the easiest way to do that is to actually track it. So the way the system works is you find the top 10 hashtags that your audience follows or uses, right? And you go into the top 9 posts and you leave your 2 cents on those 9 posts, right? So basically what happens is you end up engaging on 90 posts per day and you leave your 2 cents. So 90 times 2 equals, $80, right? So that's where the name comes in. So, and this tool basically was created to help you track that engagement, right? So it's very hard to just go out there on Instagram and engage and like calculate how many comments you left and all that kind of stuff, right? I mean, you can do that and it's still fast, but for me personally, I found that for myself and for my clients as well, it is easier to track that. And it's also such a great way to bring on, your virtual assistants and help you do that. And I'm going to show you why I do love it. So you can check out their website. I'm going to leave a link for you to check the $80 for free. So you are going to get a free month basically on them or on me, if you will. It is an affiliate link because I love the tool personally and I've been using it for a little bit now. So today is the new day, so you're going to see the number 0 here for now. And this is kind of the inside how this is going to look like. So let me go ahead and refresh it just so we can see like a, fresh new post, right? And the way it works is you set up targets into the hashtags, into the locations, and the certain people that you follow, right? That your potential clients are following, right? And then here, you are basically going to see, the recent posts, or you can choose the top posts within those particular hashtags, right? So as you can see, there's, a lot of these posts that you can go in and engage. I will say this, I personally do prefer to also engage in the recent posts because that is my target audience, the people who might be just starting out on Instagram and they really want to grow. So that's perfect for my social media agency. So I help with the account growth, obviously. So I engage in both places. So, and I'm not the most organized with it. If you will, I don't just go into, each post, like each, top 10. I do like to alternate where I engage. And, like, for example, certain posts like this post, I don't know if I would engage here. If you will, it's kind of, a featured account and I don't really think that my audience is using it, but I would most likely go and engage under an account like this that is a dating coach that is my target audience, for example, right? So that's on the hashtag. So let me actually show you how the tool works and why I love it. So let me just go into this picture since we're already here. So the only difference between $80 and Instagram is the captions are going to be looking all in one paragraph, so you're going to have to read it. So I always read, and after that I engage in the comments. And the cool thing about $80 is it basically saves all the comments that you ever left, so you can go and reuse them, right? So if you see a similar post, let's say about focus, I can just tap here and it's going to pull up the comment right here, right? So I'm going to delete this for now. So that makes the growth and engagement so much simpler. And the cool thing about it is Instagram is not really going to let you post 90 comments in this a 60-minute time period, right? So what $80 does is it actually spreads out those posts those comments throughout the day. So it does make your life easier. So you know, once you do, like all the 90 comments, or at least half of them, you know that they're going to be spread out and your account is not going to get banned. Right? So these are like the targets. So I have, the hashtags, and underneath here, you can choose locations. So I set like certain locations, just like from the city that I recently have been in, just to kind of see what it's going to show. Personally, I don't really engage in locations too much, just because I don't really have a local business. I basically set it just to kind of see, how the whole thing is going to look like. And I believe it shows the top posts. Yeah, and you can change it to recent posts too. So that was my little test to kind of make it look all nice. And then you can also go into the profiles. So I have like, certain people that I personally love following. The only problem with this that I don't particularly like, and I know you're probably going to feel the same way. So if you follow somebody like Amy Porterfield, right? So she has a really big audience, and you see these posts clearly were not made by Amy, right? So all of these posts, from my own research that I figured, are the posts where she has been tagged in. So that's kind of how it shows. So it's going to be really hard for you to find the post that Amy specifically posted. So for that, I generally do go into my phone or into my desktop, and I engage on Instagram specifically there, right? Now, the same thing applies to, like, for example, Rachel Peterson, somebody that I follow, so, love her account. She doesn't really get tagged a whole lot, so I do see her posts, so that makes life a little bit easier. Manifestation Babe, she does get tagged a lot by other people, so there is that. Now, you can also go into the explore feed, so you're not really being limited just by the hashtags, location, and people. You also get to go in here and see whatever else shows up in the explore feed, and you can engage. So you can see I actually have like a bunch of tennis because that's what I follow on Instagram as well. Got some makeup and things like that. So make sure that with your account you are strategic with what it is that you're actually engaging. So I've been working on kind of clearing that up and kind of having another personal account where I engage on tennis stuff and other things like that. But you can also go in and engage on certain posts that show up in your explore feed, because that's where your ideal clients might also be hanging out at, right? You can go into your history, you can check out, like all your older engagements that you have completed so far. So that's where I've engaged so far. You can also check out your activity over here, 1 week. So I've kind of, took a break over the weekend, right? And been also engaging inside the app. You can see your engagement rate, the number of your followers, your posts overall, and yeah, like just the overall activity. There are also leaderboards. I'm not personally sure how it's going to benefit you, but I haven't really engaged there. And the other cool thing about the $1.80 is there are actually groups where you can participate. So I've already been actually approved in 2 of them. So I'm not sure how active they are, so, I sent requests to a couple, so 3 of them are still pending, so this one I'm already in. So I believe what it does is you get to see the posts of the people that are in this specific group. So all of these groups, they consist of people that are already using $1.80, which is pretty cool. You can like chat with them and, whatever else. So I don't really think that I have a whole lot of features here because I'm newer, but it's such a brilliant app for you to use to track your engagement, to see that you're actually consistent. And, if you are a fellow social media manager, you might also use this. Now, what's cool is you can actually set different groups, right? So you can set up several groups. So, I have, 10 hashtags right here, but what if I have more, right? So I have 10 more people that I actually set here in my targeting, like I put, later that I use, Create, Cultivate, Shalene Johnson, a couple others. So that's something you can do as well. Now, let's go over into, did I want to show you anything else? I think that's pretty much it. So inside of your targets, that's actually where you're going to set it, right? So I have, my targets, top leaders. You can also add your clients' targets if that's what you're doing for your clients. So all you gotta do is you can just go ahead, add a target, and you just type in, I don't know, like, let's say manifestation. And then Instagram is going to pull up everything that is related to that. So like manifestation, and that's actually also cool. Like the way that you can use that is you can also use this as a hashtag research tool, right? So just so you know, on Instagram, you no longer can see related hashtags to you know, like when you pull up a hashtag like manifestation, it's not going to show you related hashtags. But here, you can just go on and do that and include this in your future post if that's something that you want to do. So that's how you use $80 for your growth. So let me know, did you enjoy this tutorial of the $80 tool to actually start tracking your engagement on Instagram so you can consistently grow your account? If so, let me know down below into the comments. Hit that subscribe button if you enjoy all things Instagram, social media content, engagement, growth strategies organically. Hit that bell sign down below this video too to get notified when new videos are being published, which is several times a week on this channel. And if you want to check out more social media strategies and growth, check out these two videos right here. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.